Hello, I am John Carles Guardiola. I'm Key Account Manager at Idrica, a leading international water technology company specialized in a smart solution. Idrica won the Water Technology and Infrastructure Award at the Water Europe Innovation Awards 2020 for our innovative solution, GoAigua SaaS Analytics. This is an early warning system that monitors the concentration of SARS-CoV-2 in real time, anticipating coronavirus COVID-19 outbreaks in order to take granular action proactively. Water Europe's acknowledgement gave us a high level of visibility internationally. Since then, we have expanded into new markets, and Idrica has consolidated as a global technology partner. Our solution is monitoring over 10 million citizens in more than 20 cities, with the largest global wastewater-based epidemiology program in operation. This award has spurred us to keep investing in innovative solutions for the water industry.